My role here at SAP is I lead our COO functions for the supply chain management business across the AMEA region. What that means is I lead our wonderful team of solution experts. I also am involved in executing our go-to-market activity, as well as building demand and building pipeline across the region. And of course, the most important thing I do is I support a number of our customers as well across the region. Been with the company 14 years. Exciting times right now for supply chains and for supply chain management in SAP. We have a very broad portfolio. It's a modular cloud-based portfolio. And of course, as you've seen here at the conference, the big topic right now is AI, but more importantly, agentic AI. So for us, we talk about best of breed as a suite, which is very, very important. When you think about supply chains, they never operate in isolation. Supply chains are always communicating across the enterprise. So it's really important that organizations remember that. And when you think about that and you then look across those processes, SAP is one of the very few companies, we believe, the only one that can actually really, truly enable cross-process across the enterprise supply chain management capability. The exciting things being an employee 14 years in the company is the way that we have pivoted as an organization, especially in the last 5 years, to being a cloud organization. And when we think about our supply chain portfolio, we've shifted the whole thing from what it was on-premise into the cloud. And I think even if you look outside in, it's been impressive. And the great thing, the most important test of this is our customers have also taken that as the right thing to do and are making big investments in our supply chain portfolio. If you want to take full advantage of agentic AI, let's just focus on that for a moment, because that's the next big step change in supply chain. From a solution perspective and a process improvement perspective, you have to have semantic good data. And SAP announced earlier this year the release of our SAP Business Data Cloud, and that is where we will enable this to happen in our architecture. So we see it as super, super important. Our customers have recognized that. Data is more important than ever. The challenge that operations have is there is more of it than ever. And actually the human brain is struggling to cope with that. So things like agentic AI will help. Having those digital co-workers alongside the operators in supply chains will help take that data and then do something with it with the AI agents.